humidity in the air.
Alright. Here we go. Yeah, this is good. I like the little breeze and not a whole bunch of chop.
Oh, this is perfect. I wish God it was well, you know what? There'll be plenty of good days.
Yeah. Coming up.
Dude, I have a good feel, man. I don't even ever use it. I'm not bragging, but I don't be using a timer, you know? 18%.
Nice. That's like pushing it though. You're right at the end of it.
Yeah.
Timer cleared.
Alright, let's do this. I can never remember if I start my dang camera. I keep forgetting. Alright, camera rolling, let's go. Oh yeah, look at this. Okay.
Gear up.
Forgot to unplug the ring. I forgot to unplug the ring. I think it looks alright though.
With the ring?
Well, yeah, the ring, you can't really see it. The other one blocks it out. Watch.
Yeah, that's popping. That's hella bright. Yeah, that's ridiculous.
I kind of lose the plane. Sheesh.
Yeah, that one's hella bright, dude. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that's bright. It's blinding me actually.
Yeah.
It's hard to see the plane. Let's do a climb here.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, that's good.
So the only problem is when you sell those burners, you gotta let people know they can't see you if they go blind.
Don't look. There's got to be a disclaimer.
Yeah, don't look at the center tailpipe.
Because holy crap, yeah, it's actually hurting my eyes.
It's insanely bright. That's definitely brighter than the other one.
Let's do a downwind. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Time remaining 1
Yeah, it's
minute.
pretty bright.
Dude, that lens is popping them. Huh?
Yeah. I forgot to unplug
Fucking
the
cold as hell.
I know it's cold. I forgot to unplug the red ring. But I think it looks okay
The
together.
red ring of death.
Yeah, literally.
Xbox,
The
remember that
Xbox, I know.
Red ring of death.
Your system is done.
I had two go bad on me, but they always replace them. I just
the,
had to wait.
it's the power supply usually, or what?
Well, it wasn't the power supply for me, but that was another error. It was the actual Xbox.
Okay.
But I gotta say, they took care of it.
Yeah. I think that looks pretty good.
It looks great. It has kind of a reddish orange. Oh, the red is.
If the red ring is on, yeah, the ring is on.
That's why.
Yeah.
I like it like that, dude.
I think I kind of do too.
It adds red to your orange stuff.
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Takeoff flaps 2. Landing flaps
Pretty much
1.
right down the
Time
runway, real
expired.
Yeah.
Braking.
That's pretty badass though.
Okay, so now I forgot. I keep forgetting that the other ring is on. So I'll do it from down there with the ring off. Here, look, let's see.
Flaps up. Throttle cut.
So there, that's with the ring off. Hey Brandon, that's with the ring off. Look.
Oh, you turned it off?
Yeah, here, let me bring it back.
Wait.
Release.
Let me bring
Normal
it a
mode.
little closer so you can see. But with the ring off, it looks better. closer.
Throttle cut.
Ring is off. So there.
That looks great without it.
Yeah,
Now, with the ring
bright.
on.
With the ring on, it may not come on because I have to use too much throttle.
Normal mode.
Oh, okay.
See?
No, I meant the red with the orange.
You gotta wait because it's on a delay,
Oh.
remember? It's on a delay.
But that's what it was doing. It was doing both in the air.
Yeah.
I would leave it how you couldn't even really see the red ring. But
No, but it added color to it.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
would leave that. I thought it was good.
Let's do it again. Let's see what it does.
Throttle
Throttle
cut.
cuts on. Yeah, that's bright. It hurts. So there's a delay. So I just went to full right now.
1 minute
And
over.
it takes a few seconds for it to come back on and go back down. So. Cool.